Guys, to KOK Party Favors. Today we're going to be designing a three-dimensional baby shark invitation. We're going to be designing in Cricut Design Space. I have my canvas pulled up. I'm going to start loading in my digital art. So I'm going to upload, and I want this pink shark here, this balloon, and this balloon. I'm going to add to my canvas. Okay, we're definitely going to be resizing this. Okay, so I'll start with the shark first. I want to make sure that when I end up with my layers, that this shark is no larger than a 9 by 12 envelope. This is going to be a really nice party, so they want a really over the top invitation. So what I'm going to do is take it down to, let's try 5.6. Okay. I think we'll leave it like that. Or should I go? I think I'll go a little bit smaller. Okay, so we'll go with 5 wide by 7.22 high. And the balloons, let's see. They really don't need to be large at all. Okay. Let's resize this one. And I haven't really decided if I want to use these balloons, but I'm going to just resize them and have them ready just in case. Okay, so what we're going to do is add some text to this shark, because this is going to be an invitation, guys. So I'm going to go to text, and I'm going to type "You're invited." Okay, I want to change that font. I go to one I have bookmarked that's really nice, Roman script, and I am going to resize the "You're invited." Because what I want to do is get something that can go on the shark. So it's going to have to be something. I'm going to put the "You're invited" here at the top. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to leave that there. Now I'm going to bring in some more text. And our birthday girl name is Anne. And I'll put "Anne turns 2." Okay. And I'm going to put the address, the date of the party, and the time of the party. Okay, so this is going to be our text, and I'm going to resize it. I'm going to move that information over here onto the shark. Okay, and all of my text is centered. I think what I want to do is, I'm going to see right now it's aligned in the center. This is the right. Okay, that's kind of curving with the shark. Let's see what it looks like to the left. Okay, that's going opposite of the shark. So we're going to align it with the curve of the shark, and we're going to align it to the right. Okay. All right. So that's our text. Um, and what I'm going to do is highlight it, and I'm going to flatten it. Okay. So the shark with the text is going to be a print and cut. Okay. Um, and let me get these little balloons. They don't have to be print and cut because what I think I'm going to do is print these out with my glitter cardstock. So for this balloon, I'm just going to make it a basic cut. And I can just go ahead and delete that one. So I'm going to make this one a basic cut. And I'll probably do 3 of them. Okay. So I'm going to have these in glitter cardstock. Um, the color cardstock, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to have, got to make sure I remember my colors too. I'm going to use this brown for the gold. I'm going to have these in gold cardstock. So the brown will be the gold cardstock, okay? I'm going to write that down right quick. So I'm going to have several pieces of cardstock to cut here. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I am going to highlight my shark, and I'm going to go up to offset. I have it at 0.25, and instead of it curving, having a corner, I want it more square because this shark has a lot of sharp edges on the tail, the fin. So I'm going to select this one. Okay. And I'm going to hit apply. Okay. And this color, I want it to be, this is also going to be a basic cut too, because this offset is going to be cardstock. Okay, so I'm going to take it and make it a basic cut. And then I'm going to change the color so I can keep up with it. This is going to be green cardstock. Okay, so we're going to use green for that one. Use a brighter green. Okay, so that's going to be the color. The second layer is going to be green glitter cardstock. Okay, now I'm going to select the shark and the offset, and I'm going to apply another offset, and it's going to be the same size, 0.25. Hit apply. This is also going to be a basic cut, and it is going to be yellow cardstock. It won't be glitter, just be plain old yellow cardstock. Okay, and I'm going to select the shark and all my offsets again. I'm going to hit one more offset. Okay, that'll stay 0.25 as well. I'm going to hit apply. And this one is going to be a basic cut as well. And it's going to be a fuchsia color. I don't see any fuchsia, so I'll just pick that one. Okay. So our last offset will be fuchsia glitter cardstock. Okay. So we have our colors and everything set up. So now what I'm going to do is start placing my cardstock in order so that I'll be ready to place it on my mat and get all my cuts started. So what I'll do is in the next video, I will have all of these layers printed and cut, and then I will be assembling the invitation. So guys, I enjoyed this. I will see you in the next video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you shortly.